Child found wandering on busy roadway, saved by the cops and motorists. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The parents of a child are thanking a set of alert motorists and members of the Mounted Troop Division of the Jamaica Constabulary Force for a step they took to rescue the toddler who was found wandering across a busy roadway in a section of Spanish Town, St. Catherine.
Now, middle day, first me see this, watch this baby on the road. Nobody, watch out. Nobody and watch this baby here. I tell me say, I'm not going to jail and watch, and look at who pull up. Joke thing this, brother. Watch it. Oh, no, sir. Somebody a go to jail. Joke thing is, them kill this mama, yeah, man.
Reports are that a team of police officers were passing a premises in the old capital when they saw the child wandering in only diaper, walking around on the busy roadway unsupervised. Police officers and motorists stopped and went to rescue the child. Reports are that as the police were making checks to find out where the child wandered from, the toddler's guardian was seen rushing towards the child and explaining that they had just turned their back to close the door to the house, only to realize that the child had slipped out. The child was returned to the parents, who had nothing but high praises for the team of police officers, who were all too eager to remind the residents of their motto to serve and protect. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.